Hello, in this video I will show you how you can manage your password properly using the browser extension, also locally and securely. Install and download the Keepass software that is very secure. So first maybe I can show you how to use this Keepass. So as you can see, for the Keepass you need a password to access your database or the software. So this is the Keepass software. So first you need to create a new file. It's called the new database where all of your password will be saved. So click OK and select a destination where you want to save your file. So let's say database.kdbx and save it. So for this you need to set a master password. So for this you need to only remember one password, that every time when you open this database you need this password, so that you have to remember only one password and you can save thousands of password or hundreds of password in this database. So let's say make sure the master password is the strongest one. Okay, and give a name of your database. Let's say password. So see, this is my database, and here you can see you have a multiple folder. You can save your password in the specific folder. Like for email, you can create a new entry here and give a name like Gmail, and you can write your username for Gmail, or maybe write the whole email address. If you wish, you can write your whole email address here, but you should make sure it's used as a username, and you can save your password. So this way you can add multiple entries with a title like say Outlook, and then you can write your username and then save your password and then save it. So you just need to copy the password from here and then paste it. So you need to paste the password before this green line is ended. So this is how you can create a multiple entry and password. You can save this, and so you have to click on the save button and then close this one. So again, if you want to open your file, you just need to click on Keepass and you need to choose the file directories. So I save it in the desktop. So when you open it, you need to write your master password to open the file, and then you will be able to see all of your password file here. So this is very secure. You can use Keepass to protect your file. So you just only need to remember and keep secure this database file.